To calibrate the AR camera, drive the vehicle to a headlight calibration area. Ensure that you position the vehicle in accordance with the markings. Now connect the vehicle with the diagnostic system. The calibration is located in the tab for modifying the control unit under Teach-In Processes. Observe the requirements shown and follow the instructions for the test. Ensure that all of the tires have the specified air pressure. In addition, ensure that the windscreen in front of the camera is not dirty. Now roll the vehicle as close to the headlight adjustment column as possible. Connect the calibration aid to the column. The crosshairs in the middle should be at a height of 1,275 mm and horizontally aligned. In addition, ensure that the panel has a different color to the background. Now start the engine. Calibrate the AR camera with the help of the diagnostic system. If the calibration was not successful, observe the corresponding instructions and repeat the procedure. Once the calibration has succeeded, the work is complete.